Hi, with our intuitive software package, PathoZoom Scan LiveView, you can immediately digitize your own microscope and enter the world of digital pathology at a very competitive price. With PathoZoom Scan LiveView, you can immediately share a digital case with a colleague anywhere in the world. If your colleague is available right now, you can actually broadcast your view under the microscope to your colleague. Your colleague doesn't need to install any software and can immediately look at what you're seeing, and you can discuss the case. If your colleague doesn't have time right now, you can manually scan an entire slide and upload it to the PathoZoom slide cloud and share the entire slide just with a link to your colleague. When your colleague has then time, he or she can review the slide and give you feedback. With PathoZoom Scan LiveView, communication in pathology becomes so easy. You can send a junior pathologist to the frozen section, and he or she can immediately communicate with a senior pathologist who can remain in the office. So you save a lot of time, effort and cost. All that you need to start with PathoZoom Scan LiveView is only this box, which contains a camera, cable and the software, and you can immediately start going digital.